Omoni Oboli seems to be rolling with the big guys. Over the weekend, the actress enjoyed a boat cruise together with Nigerian billionaire Tony Elumelu, who recently pledged to support 1,000 entrepreneurs with $10,000 each over 10 years, and singer Akon, who is currently in Lagos, Nigeria, and has been pushing through his plan to introduce mass-scale solar power to African countries.